Speech on Defense Day.
सरफरोशी की तमन्ना अब हमारे दिल में है, देखना है जोर कितना बाजुए कातिल में है.
Worthy principal, respected teachers and dear fellows. Good morning. As you all know, we are gathered here in the memory of our brave fighters. Yes. Dear Sir, 59 years ago, on the 6th of September 1965, India attacked our dear homeland Pakistan in the darkness and silence of night. They attacked Pakistan, unwarned and unnoticed. At 3 a.m. on September 6, Indians crossed the internal frontier of West Pakistan. Their main intention was to cut off Punjab from the independent Pakistan. They attacked vigorously on the areas like Lahore and Sialkot. Respected Sir, Pakistan Army, Air Force and the local people were unaware and were not prepared for the attack, but our army and civilians stood as stable as rigid wall in front of the Indian Army. Indian Army used Wagah border as the gateway by deploying brave men. Many army officials and soldiers led their lives. They preferred losing their lives but didn't let Indian Army to conquer Lahore.
जो भरोसा था उसे कुव्वते बाजू पर था, है तुम्हें मौत का डर उसको खुदा का डर था.
Dear friends, in the memory of those brave fighters of Pakistan, we observe September 6th as Defense Day of Pakistan. Every year. Defense Day is a day to renew our pledge that we are a powerful, proud country and no foreign power, no matter how strong it is, can bully us. Dear friends, this is the day when we pay tribute to the brave soldiers who sacrificed their lives in defending their homeland from the enemy. Respected Sir, we celebrate Defense Day and remember all sacrifices so we can be strong and send right message to country's youth and children.
शहीदाने वतन के हौसले थे दीद के काबिल, वहां पर शुक्र करते थे जहां पर सब्र मुश्किल था.